Hello students, now sum number 18. If x by y is a positive proper fraction, then which one between 1 minus x by y and 1 minus y by x is smaller? First you have to understand what is the meaning of proper fraction. Proper fraction means in any fraction, you know, there is numerator and there is denominator. And proper fraction means always numerator will be less than denominator. Clear? Numerator will be less than denominator. Suppose 2 by 5. So it is a proper fraction. But if I write 5 by 2, it is not a proper fraction. 5 by 2, here numerator is greater than denominator. So it is told that x by y is a proper fraction. That means numerator is less than denominator. So which one is smaller? 1 minus x by y or 1 minus y by x. With example, I am showing it. I am taking 2 by 3 as a proper fraction. 2 is less than 3, so it is a proper fraction. Now 1 minus 2 by 3 means how much? 1 by 3, and 1 minus 3 by 2. Y by x means 3 by 2. It is coming minus half. You know, any negative value is always less than any positive value. So minus half is less than 1 by 3. So between 1 minus x by y and 1 minus y by x, which is smaller? Obviously 1 minus y by x. Clear? With example also I have cleared this. That this is coming negative, so negative is always less than any positive value, so this one is smaller. So your answer will be 1 minus y by x is smaller. Next one, express 2x as the difference of 2 square. Okay, again formula. 2x means 2 into x. So AB equals to what we can write? Difference of 2, what is 2? Difference of 2 square. AB equals to, we can write A plus B by 2 whole square minus A minus B by 2 whole square. This is the formula. AB is A plus B by 2 whole square minus A minus B by 2 whole square. So here 2 into x. So we can write 2 plus x by 2 whole square minus 2 minus x by 2 whole square. Now see, it is expressed, there is negative sign, it is expressed as the difference of 2 square terms. Clear? Next, it is given y equals to this 1 by x square minus x minus 20. It is told here, for which values of x the value of y cannot be obtained. Clear? So first what we will do here, we will find out middle term factor. So x square minus x minus 20. So what are the factors of 20? 5 and 4. So middle term will be minus 5x plus 4x minus 20. Clear? Then it will be x minus 5 into x plus 4. One step you will do. I have jumped. Okay, this step I have not. After this, you will do complete it. So after y equals to, we are getting 1 by x minus 5 into x plus 4. Now all of you know, if in denominator 0 will come, then its value you cannot be find out. It will be infinite. So if x is 5, 5 minus 5, 0, then also it will get 0. And if x is minus 4, minus 4 plus 4 equals to 0. So in any case, if x is 5 or x is minus 4, then value of y will be 1 by 0. 1 by 0 means infinite. Clear? You cannot find out the value of y if denominator will come 0. So for what values of x? For x equals to 5 and x equals to minus 4, value of y cannot be obtained. Clear? Then 21. 2 plus x plus 1 by x equals to 0 given. Then find the value of x to the power 13 plus 1 by x to the power 13. So what is given? From there you start, take the LCM. So 2x plus x square plus 1 equals to 0. Cross multiply. And I am arranging according to the decreasing power. First I am writing x square plus 2x, then plus 1. And after cross multiplication it is coming 0. Clear? And this is the formula, a square plus 2ab plus b square. That means x plus 1 whole square equal to 0. Means x plus 1 equals to 0. Therefore value of x is coming minus 1. Clear? You have to calculate the value of x to the power 13 plus 1 by x to the power 13. X to the power 13 plus 1 by x to the power 13. Value of x minus 1. Now, you know, if any negative number is multiplied odd number of times, then its sign will come negative, minus 1, and here also will come minus 1. That plus and minus I am writing in this form, minus 2. But if there will be any positive value, suppose you have to calculate value of x to the power 72 plus 1 by x to the power 76. Clear? Value of x is minus 1, minus 1 to the power 72 plus 1 by minus 1 to the power 76. Now you have to multiply minus 1 even number of times. Then its value will be always positive. So plus 1 you will get. In that case your answer will come 2. So if negative, be careful. If negative, then your sign will be negative. And if negative and if your power is any odd number, then your sign will come negative. And power is even number, then it will be positive. Now here it is given x to the power 13. So if it will given x to the power 101 plus 1 by x to the power 99, find the value of this. No problem. X is minus 1. So minus 1 to the power 101. Minus 1 to the power 101 plus 1 by minus 1 to the power 99. Now you know that it is odd number, so its value will be negative. Here also it will be negative. Answer will be minus 2. Okay, so first what is given, from there you will start. You will take the LCM and then from there you will get the value of x, and then whose value you have to calculate, you will put the value of x. Now up to this you practice. Again I will give more sums afterwards. Bye.